Hello students, so today revision class of chapter 2. So already this chapter is completed, a snake charmer story. So once again we revise the chapter very carefully students, so all of you very attention. So let's see students what Aryanath said in his story. I can do something special which I am sure none of you can do. What is special Aryanath doing? You also know very well in the previous video you are already know this thing. So see, do you know what? I can play the bean. You must be surprised. I can make snake dance by playing the bean. Yes, my dear students, Aryanath can make snake dance also by playing the bean. And this all thing, student, this art from my family. He's learned from this art from his family. And these people who are doing this type of practice are known as Kalbelias. So Kalbelias is who can play the bean and make the snake dance and all. So Aryanath also belongs to that family, Kalbelias. So Kalbelias, they are playing the bean. See students in the picture very careful. And who are Kalbelias? If suppose the question is the Kalbelias is the name given to the community of a snake charmer. Yes, my dear student. So it is also called as a group of snake charmers are known as Kalbelia. See students, they can make snake dance by playing the bean. Generation after generation, they entertain the people by playing the bean. Let's see what Aryanath's grandfather says. My grandfather, Roshan Nathji, was famous amongst our people. He could easily catch many poisonous snake, and he tells me many stories about his past. Let listen. We are listening the grandfather Roshan Nathji, Aryanath grandfather Roshan Nathji's story, and from the time of my grandfather and great grandfather, we have always been saperas, snake charmers. Snakes have been an important part of our life. We used to move village to village carrying our snake. Understood, students? So they are going to village carrying the snake. See here, wherever we stop in a village, a crowd would gather around us. See, wherever the grandfather, Aryanath grandfather, stop in any village, there is a crowd. Okay, we would then take out our snake from our basket. Even after the show, people would stay on. They knew that in our tin box there were many types of medicine for them. Yes, my dear, so they carry medicine also from plants. So they entertain people with the snake dance. They give medicine made from plants collected from forest. So I had learned all this from my grandfather. So Aryanath learned all the things from his grandfather, and I felt nice that I could help people with my medicine even if doctor and hospital were far off. So in return, people would give money or food grains. So they are giving the medicines, okay, made from plant collected from forest, and in return the people would give money or food grains to them. So people would give us some money or food grain. In this way, we could manage our life. So how they manage their life? By taking the by whatever the money collected and food grains. Sometimes I also called to places where someone had been bitten by snake. Yes, my dear students, if someone is bitten by a snake, they are called. From the marks of the bite, I tried to find out which snake had bitten the Persians. From the marks they can find, always trace it. Okay, and from the marks of the snake by the student, Calvelius could find out which snake has bitten. Some snake are poisonous, whereas some are non-poisonous, student. See, some snake are poisonous and non-poisonous. There are two types. So sometimes when some farmers help shouting like snake, snake, I could catch that snake. After all, catching a snake was something I had been doing since my childhood. Do you know that snake are also called as farmer friend? Because snake help humans by eating rats. Understood, students? See here in the picture, they help humans by eating the rats. Okay, so in this way they are as farmers friends. They protect the various crops. Okay, so see here. When I grew older, my father taught me how to remove their poisonous teeth fangs. See, point to be noted, students, fangs. What is that? He also taught me how to close the tube of poison in the snake mouth. So, what are fangs, students? What are fangs? So, see here in the picture, students, you can see the fangs, the two poisonous teeth of snakes connected to poison gland are called fangs. The two poisons, have you seen in the picture? See, fangs. Look at the picture very carefully. You can find out the two poisonous teeth of snakes connected to poison gland are called fangs. Understood, students? So these fangs, he when Aryanath grew older, his father taught how to remove the poisonous teeth. That is the fangs. So it is the poisonous teeth in, and this is called as fangs. Okay, students. So have you ever, students, here think and tell that have you ever seen anyone playing a bean? Where? Of course, you have seen snake charmers playing a bean, right, students? And they can be seen at rural areas during festival, right, students? So, have you ever seen a snake? Where? Yes, of course, you are maybe seen a snake on a paddy field at farms, etc. So next, see, have you were you scared by it? Why? Yes, everybody is scared of it since it is a poisonous as it would bite, right, students? So, say students, snake are actually feel the vibration in the air when the bean is played. So, can you tell me, student, what are vibrations? The movement in the air which we can feel when a loud music is played. Say for see the hair, the movement in the air which we can feel whenever the movement is happen when a loud music is played. Understood, student? So this movement of the air is called vibration. A snake can actually feel the vibration in the air when the bean is played. So a snake actually feel the vibration. Understood, student? Has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. So some people kill the animals and sell their skin at high prices. So they made a law against this. Means government made a law against this. Now with this law, how will anybody cannot catch and kill the animals? Their skin also they not be able to sell. Understood, students? So we could means they earned a lot of money by killing the snakes, but Calvalians people never do these things. For them, a snake as a treasure that they pass from one generation to another, and they gift a snake to their daughter when they get married. Understood, students? So in the Calvalia dance, they have movements similar to the dance of the snake. So, so as government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals. Understood, students? So this is a very important, and you see students, Calvalia dance. You see is a pattern of dance. They have a movements. Understood? So a musical instrument used in bean party, bean, tumba, kajiri, and dhol. Except dhol, all the other three instruments are made from dried gourd, loki. Understood, students? So see Calvalia dance. Okay, how they this is the dance form. Okay, students. So musical instrument used in bean party. Our discussion of your question answers. See all of you see here very properly, students. Students, have you ever seen animals being used for entertainment of people? For example, in a circus, on the road, or in a park. When and where did you see this? Of course, you have seen many animals are being used for the entertainment of peoples. You saw them at circus parks and on the roads, right, students? So, can you tell me, student, which animal show did you see? Of course, tiger, elephant, birds. These are the animals. Okay. So, see, students, how did people behave with the animals in the show? People behave warmly with the animals at the show, right? Was anyone teasing the animals? How was anyone teasing the animals? Of course, some of them, few peoples are there, were calling out the animals towards them at the zoo, right, students? So, what kind of questions came to your mind after seeing that animal show? So, of course, in your mind, few questions arises, students, that is the animal trained well enough? How carefully are they handled? How did they capture the animals from the forest? Is it so necessary to give stress for the animal to entertain people? So suppose, see, this is the thing, understood, students. So nowadays, um, animals are that you are an animal in a cage. Think, student, how you would feel. Complete the following sentences. So, see here, I am afraid when. I wish I am sad when. See one of a animal in the cage, and how the animal in the cage, think how you would feel. You write your answers, own answer. This question, if I had a chance, I would. If I do not like it at all, when? So complete these questions as per your imaginations, so that you are an animal in a cage. Think uh, how you would feel. Okay, nowadays many animals is keeping in a cage. So students, it is, and say all the answers, you write it. I am afraid when, and all completed by your own students. Oh, of the many kinds of snake found in our country, only four types of snake are poisonous. They are cobra, common krait, Russell viper, saw-scaled viper. A snake has two hollow teeth, that is known as fangs. When it bites, the poison enter the person's body through the fangs. There is a medicines for snake bites also. Understood, students? So see, the poisonous snake name, if at all I'm telling you, there are four types of snake which are very very poisonous, students. They are cobra, common carrot, Russell viper. See the picture very carefully, students. And see, students, this cobra is the longest poisonous snake, mostly found in the rain forest of India, mostly black in color, but color varies from region to regions. Understood, students? It's the longest poisonous snake. Okay, so see very carefully all the pictures, and mostly found in rainforest of India in students. So it's a poisonous, and its color varies from region to region. Understood, students? What type of four types of here? See common krait, if I the most deadliest snake, common krait, usually brown or black in color with white strips on its body. Say students, the most deadliest snake is common krait. Its color is brown, students, and see the black with white strip here. Russell viper. See students, Russell viper, oval shaped, hollow or solid spots on top of the body. Light colored, student, light colored grayish brown red, orange, or grey colored body. So this is Russell viper. Saw-scaled viper. Dry looking body covered with rough scales. See very carefully pictures, students. Light colored rounded patches on top, which are surrounded by two wavy lines from head to tail. See the picture, students, very carefully. Dry looking body covered with rough scales. Saw-scaled viper. Its name is saw-scaled viper. Light colored rounded patches on top. See very identification, you identify the snake very properly. Light color rounded patches on top. See it very carefully. So students, like to guess, like snake charmers, which other people depend on animal for their livelihood. Can you guess, students? Yes, you see a farmer depend on bullocks, washerman depends on donkey. Others peoples, can you guess who others people who depend on animals for their livelihood? Today's chapter you already know very well. See, milkman depends on cows and buffalo, right? Can you tell? Can you think other people who depend on animals for their livelihood? Students, like poultry farms depend on hens. Okay, students, you seen poultry farms. The people depends on hens. Okay, so these all people, milkman, poultry farms, farmer, washerman. Okay, students, so these all are peoples depend on animal for their livelihood. So see, students, next, do you know snake venom is also used to make medicines for snake bite? See, students, snake venom is also used to make medicines for snake bite. Okay, students, so see the picture very carefully.
Here that
Snake
is
venom.
venom canals.
Lot of
Point to see
medicines
the
for
pictures
snake
very
bites.
carefully. Venom canal.
Okay, student.
It
See.
is see the pictures very properly. Fang is there, and in his snake tooth, glottis, rocket chunks. Very carefully all the uh, see. Observe very carefully eye of snake and head. Snake head properly you observe snake head, and this is the poison gland. So all should be labeled very carefully. Labeling is very important in the EVS class. Neck and scale. Okay, students.
See, students, that is Nag Gumfan. What is that? It is a kind of rangoli design used in Gujarat and South India. And in this design, snakes are, see the picture very carefully. In this design, students, snakes are drawn or printed on clothes. You know about embroidery. Okay, so in this design, snakes are drawn or printed on clothes and others things. Understood? It's kind of rangoli design used in Gujarat and South India.
Okay, students, that's all for today class. We again revise the chapter. Already revision today done. So all of you, I hope you get lot of ideas from this chapter, and do the question answers by your own in your home. Practice it. Thank you, everybody. Stay home. Stay safe.